In this video we'll convert dictionary to data frame. So there are two ways to do that. We can use the data frame constructor, or we can also use the from dit method. So we'll be using the data frame constructor first. Okay, so we'll be importing pandas, and then let's create a student underscore dictionary. So in this dictionary I am going to store some name, age and marks. So let me put the key as name, and let's put the name inside a list of, let's make Joe, Tom and John. 3 names. So we'll put 3 age as well. Age, let's make a list of age 19 and 18, and let's say 20. Let's assign some marks as well. So let's put the key as marks, and then we'll put the columns. So here there is colon not equal to, and now let's put the marks as 90, 91, let's say 92, and take 89.01. So now we'll create the data frame. So student underscore data frame, okay, equals pd, that is our pandas dot data frame, and then we'll put the argument as student underscore dictionary. Let's print the student underscore data frame. So let's run it. So you can see the data frame. Now we will be using only the required columns. So I want to see only, let's say, name and marks. Okay, so I'm going to put columns equals, and let's put name and marks. So when I run it, I can only see name and marks. So you can also modify it by changing the index. So you can see the index is 0, 1 and 2. So you can change the index also. Let's change the index. Let's make here index equals, and then I'm going to change the index to, let's make it S1, S2. There are 3 rows, so we'll be putting S3 also, S3. So when I run it, I am seeing the index as S1, S2 and S3. So you can change the data type also. So you can see here the data. Let's print the data type first. Student underscore df dot dtypes. So this will show the data types. So you can see here object, int and float 64, because marks are float 64. So let me change the index of all the things. So I am going to just make student underscore df equals pd dot data frame, and then I am going to use the student underscore dictionary, and then I am going to change the d types. Okay, so let's make the d type equals float 64, and then let me put it inside a quotation mark. And now let's print the data types of this student underscore data frame dot d types. So when I run it, I am seeing here the name is not changed because the name is string, so it cannot be changed to float, but the age is changed to float 64. Okay, so we can also use the single values. So you can use the single value of index over here, and it will show the single value. So now we'll use this keys like this age and our marks. This will be used as our column names. Okay, so let me do that. So I'm just making a new student dictionary, student underscore dictionary equals, let's make here Joe as the key, and let's put the value as 78.9, and then I am going to take another name, Tom. Tom is getting 90, and then we'll put our third name. Let me put here John, and John has got 90.2. So now we'll just create a data frame, student underscore data frame equals pd dot data frame, and then we'll use a student underscore dictionary, and we'll be using the items method, and then let's put the columns as columns, and let's put it name and marks, so let's print the student underscore df. So you can see here the data frame from dictionary with key and value as the columns, and now we'll create a data frame from list of dictionaries. So we have to make a new dictionary here, so let's make student underscore dictionary equals, let me copy the above one, I'm just copying it, and let me paste here. Let's make a list of dictionary. So I'm going to add one more as hobbies, and let's put here hobby as swimming. Okay, and now we'll just paste this same thing, and let's see here also we have to give here the curly braces because it is a dictionary. So I'm going to just paste it over here. One more time I'm going to paste. So let me add the braces. So now let's print it and see if there is an error or not. Student underscore dictionary. So no problem is there. So now let's create a data frame, student underscore data frame equals pd dot data frame, and let's use the student underscore data frame, dictionary, and now let's print here the data frame, student underscore data frame. So here it is there. Let me, so you can see here the hobbies is swimming, and in which the value is not given, it is printing not available, and you can see all the other values